Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to witness the match of the night. This is the Battle of Champions. And of course, the current champion of PSC for Check the Gift! Tonight, guys, PSC rule, Pattaya rule, there is no disqualifications or countouts. The winner is determined by a pinfall and a submission. Sideshow here flew all the way from Philadelphia, USA to challenge the current PSA champion tonight. Chad Gift is the current PSA champion holder. This is the battle of the champions. You are what? This is not easy for them, I'm sure. Yeah, stop! That ring right there, let's go! Let's make a ring! And the Sideshow doesn't even feel it. Whoa! They're currently out in the ring right now, guys. Exchanging things. And your food out there. They're outside the ring right now, ladies and gentlemen, and you are watching live Line 869 PSC First Year Pro Wrestling Anniversary Special. Mind you, there is no rule tonight. No countouts, no disqualifications, so they can do whatever they want. Now the gift just being smashed on that table. And the gift is currently down. I don't know what Sideshow's trying to do. He is currently grabbing the gift. He puts it towards the center of the ring. Maybe he's trying to highlight of what is going to happen. And now the gift is actually, whoa, that was a miss. Sideshow was able to let go. He was able to let go. He is in the beast mode right now, challenging that gift to go back to the ring and finish him into the ring tonight. Look at the gift. Is he trying to face up himself? Or I don't know if that is his technique. Wow! He just pinned Sideshow's head onto the rope. You are watching live, Y869, Paradise Sports Entertainment. Pinning Sideshow onto his neck. That was a submission attempt, but Sideshow still managed to Sideshow. Oh, there's a jab going on right there. Wow, come on guys. Wow, tap that ring. Tap that ring. Tap that ring. You are watching the second match of the night. This is the battle of the champions. The gift just land Sideshow onto the mat. We punching him over and over and over again. And another elbow strike towards the gift. What is that? Is so brutal. Brutal in the sense that couple strikes and there you go, the final. And I think that was so painful, everybody. That is absolutely painful. As you can see, the gift right now is holding his, I don't know. Match. Who do you think is going to win tonight? Or is it Sideshow? What's going on? The gift grab live show special. Sideshow is currently down. Show really gained a popularity tonight. Still two.